everyone and welcome to a new haul video here on my channel. Today I want to share with you some stuff that I got before the lockdown of the UK. I am currently not able to leave my flat unless I buy some food or some medicine or I go out exercising once a day. So it's very strict. It's good. I'm really happy that the UK made this decision because this whole corona crisis is going to get worse and worse if countries actually don't make changes and people don't make changes through their life. So I'm really happy with what they've done, but I know it's changing your life because obviously I can't go out shopping now for scrapbooking supplies. And a lot of companies have actually closed down as well, which is really sad. It's a strange time we're living in. And my fiance sent me a message about he was going to buy some food. And it was it was so long queues and only 15 people at a time was allowed to go into the shop. Meaning that 15 people needed to leave before 15 people was allowed to go in. And obviously a long queue like that, it will take hours to actually get the food. So I'm really happy that a few weeks back, started realising that I need to prepare for this. And I've got my family to thank that for actually. I've got my food now. I don't really need to go to the shop unless I'm actually, I want to get some like Diet Coke or something. And then I've got my PPE, so I've got my mask, I've got my gloves, I've got all of that. So I feel really calm, but it is a worrying situation. And I'm trying to craft and stay as positive as you can. I think that's a good thing to think about. Trying to stay positive and do everything that you can do, and then you can't do anything else. So I ordered some stuff from this company, and I actually received it only a few hours before the UK went into lockdown. And this is Thompson's Craft Supplies, and they are actually not taking any more orders now because of this lockdown. So I was super, super lucky of getting my hands on what I wanted before the lockdown. And before I show you what I got from Thompson's Crafts, I just want to show you some other stuff that I got that I stocked up on for this crisis, this pandemic. I got some of these split pins because Kleine Palmer's dies can create lovely, lovely wreaths with using split pins and her die cuts. So I bought some of that because I'm gonna do a video tutorial actually showing you how I create some wreaths with her dies for people that have actually bought the dies. They're super cool. I also got some double-sided tape, so I stocked up on that. So I've got that. I've already got a lot of it, but I just felt like if I'm not able to go to a shop in a while, we don't know how long this continues, this lockdown, I want to be able to create some cards. I also got some double-sided tape and pads. These are great, always use them. I like creating very dimensional cards, and so I absolutely love using that. I also spent quite a bit actually. This was a little bit pricey, but it's a thing that I really love that I bought before this lockdown. And it is some watercolor papers and a big set of watercolor paints. This is from Winsor & Newton, so it's a really nice set. Very pricey, but definitely worth it. So it opens up like this, and then you've got all of the watercolors. Just lovely. I haven't actually used it as much as I have wanted to, but it's because before the lockdown I was literally just running around trying to get everything sorted, and I haven't had time to craft that much either. But now I am, obviously I'm in lockdown, I work from home and all of that, so yeah, but I love this set. I'm really glad that I was able to get it. So I can't wait to do some more watercolor colouring and painting. So that's what I got. I also actually bought myself some lovely magazines, and one of the shops here in my town that is allowed to be open is actually their magazine and newspaper shop, and today they just released their new magazine, so I'm actually thinking about heading out with my mask and my protection. Loads of people are wearing it now though, so that's good. It's not so embarrassing to just get that kit, because the stamps were amazing. I saw some photos of it on their website and I was like, I really want that, and that would be lovely to watercolor. So I'm definitely gonna head out and get that. But I also got 2 magazines. This is their paper crafter one, and it got some really cute ideas. I'm more of a fan of another magazine, which is the one I'm going to pick up today. But this also had some fun ideas and tutorials. But the reason really I bought it was because of the things you got with it. The paper in this magazine itself is not my favorite, but I like card making and paper craft. That is a lovely magazine, and they always have really nice stuff that you receive with it, like tutorials, how to fold boxes, and it's just really lovely. So I mean, look at that. Isn't that pretty, that card? And they teach you how to do it. They teach you how to do it. So yeah, and with that, I actually received 2 things. So I received this lovely set of stamps. Let me actually open it so you can see. And this is from Card Making and Paper Craft. I received this die. It cuts out this little sea hut. Is it called a sea hut? I'm not sure. But yeah, just a little hut. And I also got this stamp set, which I thought was so cute. It's like sea and the beach, and just very cute. And I think it could be lovely to colour this in with my watercolour pencils. And I just love the sentiments as well. I sure do love you. Sending sunshine. Best fishes, waving hello. And I think that's the lovely thing with these magazines here in the UK, is that they always have really good stamp sets and dies and stuff with it, which is lovely. And then I also received with one of these magazines, and that's actually the reason I bought it, is this Dough Crafts Paper Mania Butterfly Dreams. And you received 2 stamps, which I thought was really cute. Quite mediocre stamps, but it's not the stamps I got it for. I got it for this because so that's what I got from the magazine. And then last, but definitely not least, I put in an order to Thompson's Craft Supplies, and I wanted to get my hands on some cut-out sheets, because I have a lot of pattern papers, but not so many cut-out sheets that I would like to have. And I bought this cut-out sheet from AB Studio. This is their lovely lady collection. Beautiful pink roses. And I can just cut this out and then put it on cards and just create very dimensional and fun, intricate and interesting cards. So I got that sheet. I also got this one, which is from the Fabrica Decoro Sea Breezy collection. This collection looks lovely, but the cutouts I thought was so fun, very, very fun, and I could create quite a masculine card with this. The boats and just the fishes and the starfish and the crab, a seahorse. I mean, just lovely. And then I got this one, which is from their Winter Love Story from Fabrica Decoru. Also a lovely collection, but the cutout sheets definitely a favorite of mine, and that's why I bought it. I just love that. It's just so beautiful, and you can create a lot of fun cards with this, because that is mostly what I do. I like using cutouts. And then I got Cold Treasures from AB Studio. I love the fox. I mean, look at that fox. Isn't that beautiful? Just very, very lovely. And the background as well. I mean, the back of that cutout sheet is beautiful as well. Quite Christmassy, but it's good to have stuff like this as well, because I realised last Christmas that I was like, I don't have any Christmas paper. I just have flowers and spring and summer papers, but I don't have like wintry papers. So I'm really glad to pick this up and be able to cut it out and then just store it in one of my cutout boxes, and then I can use it for Christmas and winter cards. My dad has his birthday in January, so obviously a card like this with some a winter birthday theme, really cool as well. I just love that. I mean, look at that. Isn't that cute? Super cute. And the background as well is really cool, really funky and abstract. So that is the cutout sheet I got. And then last, but definitely not least, I got 3 collections from Minte Papers. This is their Dreamer collection. I know a lot of people have already shown this, so I'm not going to go into much detail. But yeah, I mean, it's so beautiful. Look at those colours. It's so soft and just very, very lovely. So that's the Dreamer collection. I'm going to show you the cutout sheet though, because that's beautiful. Just look at that. Wow. The flowers, the birds. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Minte Papers, and this is actually the first 3 collections I've ever got from them. And it was definitely Sybil that made me go and buy it before the lockdown. And this is the Berrylicious collection. This reminds me of my grandma and my summers I spent at my grandma and grandpa's summer house. And I don't know why, it just speaks to me. I love it. And the colours are beautiful, the blue and the red and the pink, and the cutout sheet just makes me so thirsty when I look at that. It looks like proper nice lemonade with ice on a hot summer day. And I love raspberries, and I love blueberries and strawberries and all of that. So it's just a lovely collection. And then the last collection I got from Minte is Forever Young, and I think this is so cute. The colours, I mean, look at that. The yellow, the pink, the blue. Yeah, they've really made such a good job, actually, Minte Papers. It's just very, very lovely. And their Forever Young cutout sheet just looks like a dream. I mean, look at that. The cake. It looks so lovely. And the balloons and the flowers and the hearts. And it's just out of this world. I mean, look at that. That's so beautiful. So I'm really, really happy that I was able to get this before everything closed down. And it's also getting more and more difficult to get online orders from scrapbooking companies, because obviously a lot more people are ordering online now, and the postal service is really delayed as well, which is irritating, but that's what happens. So yeah, I'm just happy I was able to get the stuff I wanted, and now I've got some lovely papers and some lovely supplies that I can use and create cards with. So see you around in my next video, and take care. Bye!